Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What have we got? We've got a Hyundai Kona in for a Towbar on this wet day. Right, Towbar, we're going to remove the rebar, we're going to fit the bumper, we're going to fit the wiring, we're going to hardwire off the vehicle's tail light cluster, and we're going to show you everything on how to do it. So if you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. Otherwise, give us a call, 0296278666 to get one done for yourself. Well, anyway, depending on where you are. We're in northwest Sydney. So anyway, it's wet. Let's get into it.
No debate on different rate. Plenty folks who got opinions that'll never know the stakes. When you solo every battle and your soul ain't got the faith. I'm a prey, I'm a hero, but I'm Clark without the cape. Put it on, I'm about to fly when I'm almost about to break. Understand you hold a trial and the triumph in your hand. What's the plan? You can't just take what they give you. You a man, you was chose. This life can get darker before it glows, but we shining and it shows through the flows and the pros that I speak. That's why you can find me at the peak. I get to climbing just when it's looking steep. With my feet dragging in place, I'ma still keep it moving, holding the pace. Feel the drive I can't ever replace. This the life I chose, and my hands still holding the wheel that I never know that it take. When the sight of the sun brings a smile, early morn make it work all the while. Let the evening breeze for the nighttime rings, and the moonlight sings me sound. I'm a soldier in this, I was molded for this. Built and bred by the days, I could never forget. It was bound to exist. Shape this land with my own hands, so pay what I'm worth. Give my respect to the grind, I'll never short on the work. If I be blessed to see old age, I'll smile at the dirt, knowing I own what is grown to pass it all down to my first. If you let some inside you die, then I'm here to rebirth. Never lose your purpose on this earth. With my feet dragging in place, I'ma still keep it moving, holding the pace. Feel the drive I can't ever replace. This the life I chose, and my hands still holding the wheel that I never know that it take. When the sight of the sun brings a smile, early morn make it work all the while. That the evening brings for the nighttime rings, and the moonlight sings me sound.
coming. You be careful of me.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoy the fitment process. Pretty straightforward getting a tag tow bar fitted from our partners at Tag, right? Very straightforward. You've got the 50mm removable hitch, you've got the 7-pin plug. Alright, if you want to grab a tow bar for yourselves, right? Or this gentleman, look, he's very excited about the tow bar, right? So he's very happy, we're very happy, and hopefully the customers are going to be very happy as well. Alright, no dramas. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.